Hello everyone, today we're going over the 2021 Lexus IS 350 S Sport Certified. So starting with the door, when you have the key on you, whether it's in your pocket, in your purse, or in your backpack, you can walk up to the door, slide your hand right through the doorknob to unlock the car. When you're leaving, you can press this button right here, and it will lock the car for you. This is great so you don't constantly have to bring out your key. On the door panel, you will see that you have your lock and unlock controls, as well as your window lock, and then your left and right side mirror controls. Down below you have your speaker and an area where you can place a few water bottles. Down below you have your lumbar support and your seating adjustments. To turn on your vehicle, you just press your foot on the brake and press the start button located on the top right hand side. One of my favorite features of this car is by pressing this button located on the right hand side of the steering wheel. It will allow the gauge to move to display other settings within your screen, which you can control with the right hand side steering wheel controls. Down below you will see your automatic high beams. I really enjoy this feature, especially when going out into the wilderness, because it's when you see its function at its best. It will go ahead and turn on those high beams on for you, and then turn them off if it senses that an oncoming vehicle is coming your direction in order not to blind them. If you love hearing your engine roar, the ASC is a control volume that you can adjust by going up or down. A little above those controls, you will find your odometer trip and your dimmer display on your dashboard. When I hit the odometer button, it shows me my miles, my trip A, my trip B, and that wrench 9,964 miles until your next service. This depends on how aggressive or conservative you constantly drive your car. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find your volume controls, your mode, which allows you to toggle through your media selections such as FM, AM, XM radio, even CD. The arrows on the right hand side allow you to toggle through your saved presets. If you're driving your vehicle and you receive an oncoming call, you can go ahead and answer it by using this button on the left. To hang up, you press this button on the right, and your voice command options are on the bottom right here. On the bottom right hand side of the steering wheel, you will find your adaptive cruise control lane departure assist controls. To activate the adaptive cruise control, you will locate this panel right here, right below the steering wheel and behind. You press the button on the side, and on your screen you will see radar cruise active. Once this is on, you can adjust the distance between you and the car in front of you by selecting this button. You can see that there's 3 bars, 2 bars, and 1 bar. I really enjoy using this feature, especially on long road trips where I can kind of take a little break, a little rest, and have the car aid me in my driving. The lane departure assist button is going to be right here. You select that, and it says lane departure assist steering is active. What this does is going to help you hold the car within the 2 lanes, as you can see on the screen right here, and it will allow you to see if you're drifting off the lane. When the car senses that you're drifting off the lane, it will start shaking the steering wheel. By the armrest, you will see the Lexus touchpad right here, which allows you to control the screen up on top. In the 2021 IS, you now have a touchscreen. If you have the navigation package, you get this beautiful 10.3-inch display. You can select which options you would like on the screen. Down below you will see your AC controls. My personal favorite feature is the dual climate control, which allows the passenger to adjust their 2 vents at the temperature that they would like. So if they get colder or warmer, they can adjust accordingly. If you want both of them to reset and go back to having 1 temperature at all 4 vents, you simply select dual and it'll adjust it for you. Lexus still offers a disc option right here. As you can see, all you gotta do is pop in your CD, replay some old memories and some music, and you can enjoy your music. Volume controls are on the left, and the tuning options for the radio are on the right. Down below you will see your heated and ventilation seats, your heated steering wheel, and then your passenger cooling seats, ventilation seats, and heated seats. Down below you will see your Eco, Normal, and Sport modes. To go to Eco, switch this to the left. To go to Normal, push it down. To go to Sport, switch this to the right. Right below that, you will see your snow option control, your traction control off, and then your hold. Hold will allow you to pretty much go to a stoplight or a drive-through, and if you're there for a while, you just simply press hold, and the car will hold the brake for you. In order for this to be active, you need to have your seatbelt on. So let me show you how hold works. So I simply go to hold, I select it, with my foot on the brake and my seatbelt on, you will see the light that says hold in orange. The orange light that says hold is very important. That tells you that the car is holding that brake for you, so you can go ahead and let go of the brake. So very important that even if you see that green hold button, that doesn't necessarily mean that the car is holding your brake. And you need to look out for that orange hold light. And that's when you know that the system is active and the car is holding that brake for you. Looking over at our rear view mirror, you may be wondering what these buttons are for. These are for your garage pair. So we have a home link system in the car that allows it to pair to your garage door so you don't have to use your garage opener. I have a video coming soon, so stay tuned. Up on top you have your moon or sunroof options. You can open, close, up and down. The button right here that says door is basically for your lights. So if you select it and every time the door is open, the light will come on. If you don't want that feature to be on, select the door. Now when you open the door, that light won't come on. The SOS button. So you select this down right here and you push that button. This is good for if you're having any Lexus Inform problems. You can get contacted to a representative that will be able to assist you. Now this is for emergencies, so once you select that SOS button, if you're having Lexus Inform issues, select it, wait for the prompts to go through, and then say enrollment. Once you say enrollment, it will connect you to someone that can help you out.
Now let's look at the trunk. The trunk has 10.8 cubic feet of room, and the rear seats folding at a 60-40 split.
Under the hood, you will see two hydraulic hood struts, 5-liter V6 naturally aspirated, 311 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque, to an 8-speed automatic transmission, as well as an adaptive variable suspension, going 0 to 60 in about 5.6 seconds with the top speed at 143 miles per hour. The MPG is 19 in the city, 26 on the highway. The IS currently weighs in at 3,748 pounds. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment if you have any other questions I can go in depth with, or if you want to see any other content. I'll be happy to make that for you. On behalf of everyone at Lexus El Cajon, we wish you a great day and stay tuned for the next video.